Hi there. Well, I got something in the mail that I totally forgot about. It is the Sketchbox for the month of December. Now, I had signed back up for one of the subscriptions for November because it was watercolor based. So, but I keep forgetting the subscription companies do an automatic renewal. And so that's how I've got a December box. And this one, they always have an artwork on the front. This one's by Jenny Clark, as you can see. And you can check out her stuff there. So let's see what's in this. I haven't a clue. I haven't been looking at any reviews or anything. I was kind of disappointed about last month's, the watercolor palette that they sent. It's a Kiritaki watercolor, and it just, there was barely any paint in it, so it was kind of difficult to justify. But this is what we have now. So first up, they usually have something that you can put artwork on, and that happens to be this render. So that's in conjunction with Sketchbox itself. You can use both sides, media won't bleed through, and you can use with all media. So see, 24 sheets and 180 GSM, so 140 pound. So it's a little light for wet. Yeah, it's definitely a bit light for wet materials, and it's very, very smooth, like very smooth. So I can't see using watercolor on that, but that's not what's going to be in the box, is it? So there's another artwork, and this one is by Michelle Anders, and she's a Pacific Northwest oil painter. So I'm not sure if she's, well, I guess she's American. So it's nice. They always put an artist postcard in with the box. And what do we have here? So they also give us a little menu. And we have a sketch blending trio number 4 from Copic. I don't believe I have any Copic pens. I have sort of knockoff Copic. And then Tombow marker in poppy red. So this paper is making more sense. And Derwent Chromaflow pencils. I have other Derwent products, but I don't have these. And I've been wondering about them. So there's white and scarlet. So I guess that's the theme, is red. Well, I guess this isn't. And then the Kiritaki Kaiko Fude pen. Oh, that's kind of nice. And a brush there. And a bit more of a point there. Yep. Very nice. And there's the Tombow in poppy red. There's a brush side, and then there's a chisel side. So you can probably use that for calligraphy as well. And this is the Copic. So I guess let's see. Like I said, I don't really use markers. So there's that end, and another chisel end for you. Oh, and for some reason I can't get that back in. There we go. And there's always a little sticker, which is kind of nice. And it's a reproduction of that paper pad. So let's get testing some of these out. We'll use the pad itself. Might as well. So these Chromaflow pencils, I haven't really looked into these that much because I don't need more pencil crayons, but I don't want to get hooked onto another and want to set. But these are awfully nice. And they really layer well. Let's try the white on top. That really helps to blend. There's a lot of pigment in it because it's blending outside of where I colored with the poppy. So it's quite nice. Oh no. I almost don't want it to be nice. So let's zoom in a little bit. So this is the Kiritaki brush. Oh, and it's gray on this side. Well, that's interesting. Kind of handy. And the Tombow one. Nice. 2. And let's try the Copic. So it's almost like a Caucasian. Why am I having so much trouble with this? Kind of Caucasian flesh color. Let's try this one. And that's nice. That's a nice ochre color. And then this. Now I have to say, while I love surprises, well, I paid for it, so it's not really a surprise. I was expecting something else in the mail, so I was just a little disappointed. But these are kind of handy to add to projects. It's just like almost like a burnt sienna. I don't know if they give, it doesn't really say the colors, just the codes of the colors. So yeah, that's in a way not very much. And I think, well, I definitely won't be subscribing. I made sure that I canceled that auto renewal because these are things I don't really use. I don't really need. These are kind of nice, and maybe I will look into getting some. But yeah, this wouldn't have been a box that I would have picked. And with shipping to Canada included, or put on top of the price, it just seems a little, well, a little too little for the price. But if you're into markers, I guess you would be very happy with this box. Anyways, I will add them to my very small collection of markers, and maybe let me know what you would do with these products, and maybe I might even think about having a little giveaway for things that I've not been using. Okay, so if you want, be great if you liked and subscribed to this channel, and maybe I will do some more giveaways. I've only done a giveaway on Instagram, but YouTube would be a fun way to give somebody some art supplies that they can use. Okay, talk talk soon. Bye.